How to fix iMessage not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can solve the iMessage not working on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have been trying to actually message someone over here and then you would like to go ahead and then basically find out whether or not iMessage is enabled, you have the green bubble and the blue bubble thing, right? And for some reason if you're not getting it, first of all open up settings and then go to the messages tab over here, and then all you have to do is just make sure to turn on iMessage over here. So here you can just send and receive. You can add this context, but make sure to turn on iMessage. You can also tap on iMessage apps and make sure to enable these options. Once you've done that, if iMessage is not working, you have to understand that it doesn't work with an Android user. But if you're talking with someone on iOS as well, even though they have iPhone but they have disabled iMessage, in that case iMessage will not work. So which in this case means that on both devices iMessage needs to be enabled so that you can talk online without having to spend money. After you've done this, also open the settings application here and then just go to the general option, go to software update, check if your device has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.